Well, I spent all that time on cleaning it up. I just couldn't let it sit there and rust again. So I said, hey, we got to clean and paint this thing, you know. So that's what I did. Cleaned her up, painted it. Looks pretty good. What kind of paint did we use? We used Krylon Color Master. Dries in 10 minutes or less. Well, I heated it up with a propane torch like normal, so it could be dry in 10 minutes, but we're going to give it an hour or so. Well, there it is. Transmission, Crossmember, transmission, mount. All installed today. Painted and installed. Yep. So that's it. Not a lot, but something better than nothing.